ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ KPSC ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. This is a short session on how to prepare a strategy for paper-2 in Karnataka PSI examinations. Let us begin. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ PSI ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಎಂಡ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ರಿಟನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. So you also know the pattern of written examination. First of all, there will be a descriptive paper where essay writing, translation and precise writing questions will be asked. And in paper 2, it is a objective paper with 100 questions and 25% negative marking. So here it comprises of syllabus which include history, geography, constitution, general science, current affairs, mental ability and others. So on understanding the syllabus, the next question any serious aspirant would get is how to prepare for written examination. So in this video, let us discuss a strategy for paper 2. So before continuing, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯನ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. In paper 2, you just cannot answer all the questions by your knowledge. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಗೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. So let us see examples. So these two questions are from previous year PSI question paper. So question number 56 ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು it is regarding the jurisdiction power of Supreme Court of India. So the power of Supreme Court to adjudicate disputes between center and states falls under which jurisdiction ಅಂತ ಈ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. So even if you don't know the jurisdictional power of Supreme Court, how to answer such questions? By guessing and elimination. So you can see there is a usage of word dispute. So in case of dispute between two powerful entities in India, there is no scope for an advice. So here you can merely eliminate option C, that is advisory jurisdiction. Speaking about appeal, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಎರಡು, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಟ್ ಜ್ಯೂರಿಸ್ಡಿಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಚ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 1 ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ರಿಟ್ ಜ್ಯೂರಿಸ್ಡಿಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 32 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರಿಟ್ to settle down a dispute between center and state. So here answer would become original jurisdiction. So again, to answer this question, you must know what is writ jurisdiction by studying fundamental rights. So again, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ if your basic is strong, you could have answered this question even without knowing the powers of Supreme Court. So let us solve question number 57 also. Question number 57 in ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, Department of Border Management functions under which ministry? So on analyzing options, you can intelligently eliminate Ministry of Commerce, as Ministry of Commerce is somewhere related to finance. ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು 3 options. So here again you will get confusion between Ministry of Defence, Home Affairs and External Affairs. So Ministry of External Affairs is somewhere related to international relations, andre to adjudicate disputes and like to sign economic partnership agreements. So ಆ ಥರ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್? So when you know the functions of Ministry of Home Affairs, it is somewhere related to maintenance of internal security and domestic policy. So border ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದಾಗ it will lead to some disruption in the internal security, internal peace of India. So if you know such facts, you can easily guess that Department of Border Management is functioning under Ministry of Home Affairs. So again, you could have answered this question by elimination and guessing. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Again I repeat, certain questions need to be solved based on intelligent elimination and intelligent guessing. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ it must be strong. Now let us have an analysis of previous year marks distribution. So here you can see that every subject carries its own importance. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಓದೋಣ, ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Every subject you can see minimum every year there are minimum of 5 questions except for economy. Economy is like somewhere in the recent years ಈ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. So you can see from geography there are so many questions asked, again from general knowledge part also, and aptitude every year it carries 10 questions. So ee riti you can give more importance to which subject can you study first, and again you can prioritize you can prioritize a plan how to study for paper 2. So another question the students usually ask us is, what are the sources to be used for PSI paper 2 preparation? So this table is from ನಮ್ಮ KPSC PSI Test series welcome document. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ as you can see there are sources for each subject. So you can follow these books and as it is enough for PSI preparations. Sources ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ how to use the sources ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you have to make a regular timetable on what subjects you are studying and prioritize intelligently. Next, you must make short notes. Trust me, making short notes help you to revise very quickly just before the examinations. So making short notes is very, very, very beneficial. Again, attempt as many as questions possible before writing test. So you can take up mock test series or any source would be fine for your preparation. So marks distribution analysis ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ CSAT carries a heavy importance as every year 10 questions ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. For this you can use the aptitude series by Rajesh Ponnappa sir of ನಮ್ಮ KPSC Academy. So this is available free of cost on YouTube, ನಮ್ಮ KPSC YouTube channel. So ಅದನ್ನ you can prepare your CSAT using these videos. So guys, we hope most of your questions are answered. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to mail us or write down your queries in comment sections. So for test series and more, you can contact us. Thank you again. All the best for your preparations. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe Nama KPSC YouTube channel and please do share the video. So thank you again.